everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. In today's video, I'm going to talk about my skincare favorites of 2022. So if that interests you, then please keep on watching this video. So the first category that I'm going to talk about is a makeup remover slash micellar water. तो 2022 में दो प्रोडक्ट्स मेरे फेवरेट थे इस कैटेगरी से. एक है आपका बायोडर्मा का सेंसिबियो H2O, दूसरा है आपका लव अर्थ का आर्गन ऑयल इन्फ्यूज्ड माइसेलर वाटर. सो दिस माइसेलर वाटर इज सो गुड. आई मीन लिटरली इट गिव्स दैट वन स्वाइप वाला रिजल्ट टू यू. इट लिटरली रिमूव्स इवन द मोस्ट stubborn makeup. Plus this is not that expensive. This is your 100 ml ka and this has lasted me for more than 2 months. So I think that's a really win-win situation. And if we have to talk about the Love Earth oil-based micellar water, then this is also really good. I was really impressed with this one as well. ये मुझे एक collab के थ्रू मिला था. I mean ये आपके वही अगेन stubborn मेकअप को बहुत अच्छी तरह से रिमूव करता है. ये आपके waterproof मेकअप को बहुत सुंदर तरीके से रिमूव करता है. This is not going to leave any sort of makeup residue on your face. You can try any of these two if you haven't tried them yet, because they both are supremely good and I highly recommend both of them. So the next category that we are going to talk about are your face washes. Face washes, because I had 3 favorite face washes in 2022. उसमें से जो पहला फेस वॉश मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ, जो कि मैंने 2022 के ना लास्ट के मंथ्स में यूज करे है, दैट वाज योर ट्रू काइंड स्किन के तरफ से उनका ग्लाइकोलिक फेस वॉश. आई हैव टोटली फॉरगॉटन द नेम बिकॉज मेरे पास अभी उसका डब्बा भी नहीं है. इसकी पैकेजिंग बहुत अच्छी है, पंप वाला पैकेजिंग में वो आता है, जिसकी वजह से मतलब प्रोडक्ट बहुत कम वेस्ट होता है. मतलब आप एंड तक उसको खत्म कर सकते हो, जैसा मैंने करा है. दैट फेस वॉश has some sort of like percentage of glycolic acid in it. It removes your makeup residue so well. It cleanses your face so perfectly बिना आपके natural moisture को strip off करे. ये sort of like a moisturizing face wash type है. Like if you understand what I'm trying to say, ये बिल्कुल भी मतलब आपके स्किन को ड्राई नहीं करता है. Even after being an oily skin type ना, we want that oil to be out of our face, but we also don't want our face to look to feel extremely dry. Damn, I still cannot forget about it. I'm so going to invest in that face wash this year as well. The other 2 face washes that were my absolute favorites has to be the Himalaya's Neem Purifying Face Wash and Bioderma's Sensibio Gel Moussant. Let's talk about this first. I mean, you saw that coming, right? I won't believe someone if they say कि उनको हिमालय का Neem Purifying Face Wash नहीं पसंद है या उन्होंने ये कभी यूज नहीं किया है. The first ever face wash जो हर कोई इंसान ट्राई करता है अपने फेस पे. Understand that this is my absolute favorite. मैं बॉम्बे में इसका छोटा वाला साइज लेके गई थी. एक तो ये इतना अच्छे तरीके से आपके ऑयल को रिमूव करता है, आपके फेस के सारे पोल्यूशन को रिमूव करता है. I mean, जितना भी ऐसे डर्ट एंड बैक्टीरिया रहता है, यू लिटरली गेट दैट फीलिंग कि यार फेस काफी ज्यादा क्लीन लग रहा है. एंड हाँ, ये थोड़ा सा आपके स्किन को ड्राई करता है. स्टिल आई एम गोइंग टू से this is my absolute favorite of all time. Now to talk about the Bioderma Gel Moussant. This is a foaming gel kind of face wash and it gives your skin a very soothing and calming effect. Plus ये आपके natural moisture को strip off बिल्कुल नहीं करता है. This is like the true kind skin का face wash, and especially if you are an oily skin type, you are going to love these 3 face washes, this and the true kind skin wala. And I think I have used all the price range ka face wash. True kind skin wala is a little bit on the pricier side. This one is very mid-range. This one is inexpensive. So yeah, you can see I have an option for everyone out there. So the next category that I'm going to talk about is my absolute favorite category, moisturizer. One moisturizer that I was totally obsessed with has to be the Plum Goodness का green tea oil free moisturizer. This is so good. This is like a holy grail for all the oily skin types. एक तो ये इतने अच्छे तरीके से आपके स्किन में absorb हो जाता है और ऊपर से आपको बिल्कुल भी किसी भी तरीके का चिपचिप वाला फीलिंग नहीं देता है. I use like 3 to 4 tubs of this moisturizer and इसका मैंने अभी तक रीस्टॉक नहीं करा है क्योंकि I am currently obsessed with the Nivea Soft moisturizer and इसका obsession start हुआ था आपका अक्टूबर के बाद से दिस इज जस्ट ऑल इन वन सॉर्ट ऑफ मॉइस्चराइजर. ये आप बॉडी पे यूज कर सकते हो, फेस पे यूज कर सकते हो. It is what it says, light moisturizer. This is super light on your skin. This gets easily absorbed. Even I'm wearing this moisturizer right now मेरे मेकअप के नीचे. And I think I'm going to restock this one in 2023. इसका मैं already restock कर चुकी हूँ. My absolute favorites. So guys, for this video I don't have any favorite serums. 2022 में ना मैंने अपना बहुत ही minimal sort of a fixed skincare routine कर लिया था. And also on a day to day basis ना I don't really use serums that much. मैं face wash use करती हूँ, फिर moisturizer and then a sunscreen, and I finish it off with a lip balm. That's it. So the next category that I'm going to talk about is a sunscreen. The sunscreen that I absolutely loved in 2022 has to be this Lakme Sun Expert with SPF 50 PA+++. This doesn't leave any sort of white cast and this gets absorbed so quickly into your skin. Even though ये lotion वाले texture में है, इसका एक gel भी आता है. मैंने दोनों try करे हुए हैं, मुझे दोनों से कोई problem नहीं हुआ है. I really loved using it and मैंने इसके दो या तीन शायद टब यूज करे थे 2022 में. My father also used this with me and even he was obsessed with it. Now the second last category of this video is lip balm, and my most favorite lip balm of 2022 was this. This is your Vaseline lip therapy in cocoa butter. I have the normal one as well इसका, but ये वाला वेरिएंट मेरा ज्यादा फेवरेट था क्योंकि इसमें लिटरली वो चॉकलेट वाला स्मेल आता है. दिस इज सो गुड, दिस इज सो मॉइस्चराइजिंग एंड ये खत्म नहीं होता है. 6 महीने के ऊपर हो गया मैं इसको यूज कर रही हूँ, ये अभी तक खत्म नहीं हो रहा है. आई एम वेटिंग कि भाई तू खत्म होगा, मैं फिर इसका नॉर्मल वाला वेरिएंट यूज करूंगी. दिस इज फॉर लाइक 249 and it's totally worth every penny. Love it. I enjoyed using it in 2022. So guys, that was it for all the skincare favorites of 2022. But अभी वीडियो छोड़ के नहीं जाना है, एक और प्रोडक्ट बाकी है which is actually a hair care product. I thought एक ही है मेरा favorite, so why not incorporate it in this video only. So yeah, that product is L'Oreal का Extraordinary Oil Serum. Damn, this serum is so good you guys. I mean, ये literally मेरा ना hair बहुत ज़्यादा frizzy hair है and if anything that can tame my frizz is this product over here. एक तो ये as a heat protectant आप use कर सकते हो, as a serum use कर सकते हो. This product is another like a holy grail for your hair care and I absolutely love investing in this. So guys, that was it for today's video. Those were my skincare and one hair care favorite of 2022. If you're interested in watching my makeup favorites of 2022, then I'll make sure to put up the video link in the I button and in the description box. So do check it out. Also guys, comment down below and let me know your favorite skincare, makeup, hair care favorites of 2022. If you like this video, then please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you super soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye, take care.